You just need only 90 days of hard work to change your life. Hi, I'm Dina, and in this video, I'm going to share you my journey of 90 days. My approach for this challenge is very simple, to only focus on three goals, which is number 1, 3 hours of deep work. As said by Kutch, 3 hours of deep work is very, very, very crucial for anyone. In this challenge, I will make sure that 90 throughout this 90 days, I will work for at least 3 hours with deep focused and no distractions by phones and my just reel scrolling. So, and the second part of the three main goals is that I will do exercise. With exercise, I will also try to do strength training. So if you're also trying to do exercise and strength training, I would suggest you to do the exercise early in the morning, and before you start doing the exercise, have something and then do exercise, like very quick energy giving food substance like banana, or you can also have milk. So you can also make a smoothie, so you can have to eat that before you start working out, because that will be very beneficial. So, and the third thing will be my food. I will be eating clean food, like home cooked food, and having enough protein, and also getting enough sleep and good amount of water. So all these good habits of good food habits, I will continue for the next 90 days. So I would like to thank Kutch for giving us the advice to just follow these three goals per 90 days, because honestly these goals are, if you keep on adding some more goals. Earlier I used to think that if I keep adding some more goals, it will be very beneficial for me, but I realized that if you have this three goals, like limited amount of goals, then it will be very easy to track. So coming back to the last part of the video, which is tracking, which is very essential. So if you are doing the challenge along with me, so what you have to do is write down 1 to 90 numbers on on a piece of paper, and then you can start tracking down, like 0 out of 3 goals achieved, 1 by 3 goals achieved, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3. So this is the metrics you can follow, which is very easy, and you can just simply do that at the end of the day. So this is going to be my 90-day challenge, and that will be completed in the month of July, on 5th of July. So I'm very excited for this challenge. So once again, thank you, Kutch. And if you're also following the 90-day challenge with me, so just comment down challenge accepted and subscribe to my channel.